Okay, he don't feel big, but I got him. We got a little old walleye, but that's a walleye. The thing about 12 inches. We got some action. There we go. That's another little old bitty walleye. If we was in the wilderness on some survival stuff, we would survive. But I ain't even tripping like that. Let's go. As we were wrapping up, the old lady, she had to hurry up, put the camera down, and get on her fish. She caught that one right there. That's that white soccer lay. So wasn't a bad day after all. See y'all next time.